Hey everyone, over here we're going to break down whether you should update to iOS 26.1 or not. Okay, let's get started. So, the iOS 26.1 update brings in a bunch of small but pretty smart changes. If you've been waiting for a toggle to disable liquid glass transparency, it's right here. You can finally make out that tinted and clear mode difference. It's going to help those who don't like that over-bright, see-through look. You'd also get a new setting to switch off the lock screen camera swipe. That's something a lot of people have been asking for. No more accidental camera opens when your phone's in your pocket. Now, Apple also brought in new Apple Intelligence languages. Wow, this is a great one if you use live translation. You can go ahead and link up your AirPods Pro 3 or 2. The live translation languages feature is improved and it works smoothly. There are also a bunch of tiny tweaks and fixes hidden inside. Some you're probably going to notice after a day or two of use. So, if you like new features, want to explore Apple Intelligence a bit more, or just like to keep your iPhone bright and up to date, you'd probably want to go ahead and update. But if your current iOS version is already stable, you don't want to go after a big file, or you don't have adequate Wi-Fi right now, you can keep what you have. No need to rush. You can always call on the update later. Anyways, that's all about iOS 26.1. Make sure you back up your data before installing. And if you have any other questions, drop them below and I'll help you out.